Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we're going to check out the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4, which comes in an Onyx Black exterior and a jet black with timber interior. Under the hood, it has a 2.7-liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It has tons of cool features like AT4 Premium Package, Technology Plus Package, heated ventilated seats, head-up display, power sunroof, and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside. Starting with the front interior, we get this beautiful jet black with timber accents trim. On the top of the door panel are door lock and lock buttons, memory seat controls, power mirror and power window controls. At the bottom we get the speakers and some storage space on the side. On the inside are the interior lighting controls and the trailer brake controller. Now we can have a full look at these beautiful leather seats. At the bottom are the power seat controls with lumbar adjustments, and on the top is the power sunroof. Now let's have a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings. On the right is the heated steering wheel button with some directional controls. Let's check out the entertainment screen where we have tons of apps. We can connect our phones using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We can listen to audio using AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and some more options. We also get Google Maps to help us navigate around the city. And we can access cameras from inside, which gives multiple views of the vehicle. At the bottom we have heated ventilated front seat buttons on both the sides, followed by some climate control buttons. Some more features: 2 charging outlets, a wireless charging pad, 4-wheel drive settings, electronic parking brake, dual cup holders, and underneath the armrest we get some more storage space. Moving outside, this 2026 GMC Canyon AT4 comes in an Onyx Black exterior. In the front we get the GMC logo on a chrome grille. On the sides are the LED headlamps. This vehicle comes with 18-inch wheels. We also get paint matte side mirror covers with blind spot sensors on the front, paint patch door handles with buttons for keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we get corner steps at the rear bumper on both the sides. GMC Canyon and AT4 written in chrome. Now let's have a look at the cargo storage space. As we can see, inside we have plenty of storage space. We also get 2 corner tie downs on each side, also in the front, and a power outlet in the back of the trunk. Finally, moving to the rear interior, we get the same trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls. At the bottom we get the speakers, and on the side is some storage space. Behind the front seats we get some additional bags and storage space on both the sides. Behind the center console are the climate vents for the rear passengers, 2 charging outlets, and a power outlet at the bottom. We get the same leather trim in the rear seats as well. Dual cup holders for the rear passengers. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2026 GMC Canyon AT4. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.